Good evening, Philippines, and good evening, Malaysia. This is your international chess coach, Glenn Garcia, and we have another match tonight. This is between Philippines and Malaysia. Philippines is represented by Nate, and Harit represents Malaysia. Let's go ahead and meet them. Let's start with Malaysia. Go ahead, Harit. Introduce yourself to the audience. You follow the script.
Hello,
Harit.
my name is Haris Ulwagi Muhammad Faris.
Mhm.
My birthday at 19 2014.
Okay. 19 what month?
My location at Perak.
What month is your birthday?
My
Month.
location at Perak. 8.
Okay. Grade level.
My location
Grade
at
location.
Perak,
Mm-hmm.
Malaysia. My teacher's ID is Haris Ulwan 2014.
Okay.
My email address
No, you can skip that.
farfaiz@gmail.com.
Okay. Next.
My chess hero is Magnus Carlsen because he is strong.
Okay. Message.
Good luck.
Good luck. Okay. Now let's hear from Nate from Philippines. Go ahead, Nate.
Yes.
Your turn.
Hello, my name is Nate Calvin Albiteng. I am 11 years old. Born in June 18, 2014. I am grade 6 and my chess idol is Magnus Carlsen. My lead chess ID is Nate CLB. I prefer Magnus Carlsen as an idol because he is great in chess. So good luck playing.
Okay. So there you go, guys. I'll be sharing the screen and I'll be starting their match. It says here 11 minutes, but I can make it shorter. The match starts in 110 minutes, so they will start immediately. Okay. All right. Oh, it did not adjust. How can I adjust the starting time? I think I cannot start the starting time anymore. Here. 8:50. Okay. Okay, the match will start right away in seconds. So let's go ahead in 10 seconds. The match will start. How old are you, Nate? Harit? How old is Harit?
12.
12. Okay. Good luck to both of you. Okay, let's wait for the pairing and the match will start. No pairing yet? Okay, game starts. Wrong cards. Lupa ko. Yung sa pichet? Oh, so. I'll just do music so while you're playing there's music. One moment. Music. I will share the music. One moment. Sound. Yeah. Music here. Guys, you will be disconnected in Zoom. Just reconnect back using the same link. Okay.